Hi everyone, welcome to Createwithmanna. So today I'll be showing you all a very easy crochet pattern that's perfect for beginners. You can use this simple stitch to make a cozy blanket, a colorful shawl, or even a scarf. Let's get started, guys. So I have my scissors here, my yarn, and my knitting pin. As you can see, this is a very colorful blanket that I've made before. You all can see the patterns, the designs, the color combination and all. Okay guys, so first we are going to make our foundation chain. Just yarn over and pull through to create a row of chains. You can make this as short or as long as you want, depending on how wide To begin the next row, you have to turn your work and crochet across again. Continue working row by row, keeping your stitches even and your edges straight. The more row you add, the larger your piece will grow. You start to see the textures forming nicely. So you can play with different yarn colors like I've done here to create stripes or fun patterns. With just a simple stitch, you can build a soft blanket, a warm shawl, or anything you can imagine. Keep practicing, guys. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative tutorial here on Create with Manna. Thank you all. Bye bye.